Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got some amazing episodes for you. We've managed to escape for 4 days and 3 nights, and as usual, we're trying to do too much in one space. But anyway, let's go and enjoy it. We've got some amazing things to show you. Let's go.
I don't think it's a good idea. Let's see how we go.
Filthy Off-Road Adventures, this is how we do it. And they love to take out drones. So our first day is we've raced in, we've set up camp in this beautiful, spectacular location. But then to get to this lookout here, it's taken way longer than we expected. So we're going to end up potentially racing back to try and get actually set up a camp in the dark, which is not ideal, but hey, it's part of the fun. But I tell you what, it's worth everything. Come and check this place out. Unfortunately, there's no audio here due to an issue with our microphones. But what we were telling you is in 1946, a massive flood came through and took down this historic lattice bridge. It's very similar to the Bowden Bridge that we saw just before. It's actually nestled on this beautiful stream right next to multiple free campsites. It's definitely worth checking out. After arriving at our stunning free camp on the banks of Boyd River, we quickly unhitch and just set the top of the camper up, leaving the rest until we get back. The goal is to head to Tommy's Rock Lookout in Man River Nature Reserve. The issue is, we have no real idea how long it's going to take us to get there.
Jesus Christ!
Look at them all. Oh, look at that. Heaps of them. Beautiful, isn't it? So we've just come up to Tommy's Rock Lookout. Now, it's a four-wheel drive track up. We weren't sure what it was going to be like. Look, it is basically a forestry road, but it does get steep. So it's definitely high clearance because there's quite a few water bars. Definitely high clearance, four-wheel drive, and probably, ideally, low range would make it simpler for you. You could do it in high range, no problems at all. But low range will allow you to just crawl up a little bit easier. The track itself is really good. There's like 2 or 3 spots that are anything more than just a nice graded road. So very, very doable and enjoyable still because it is steep and there's some epic views. It's just an incredible place. Get up here. Oh, it's cold.
It is. We're currently at Tommy's Rock Lookout, which is named after Tommy McPherson, who was an Aboriginal man who grew up not far from here, but unfortunately he shot and killed another Aboriginal person and he became a fugitive, a bushranger I suppose, back in the day. And apparently he was hiding out in this area. So the rock, Tommy's Rock, is named after him. Apparently this place is also haunted because apparently Tommy had a secret gold mine around here, and they say that his spirit haunts around this area to keep people away from that gold mine.
It's, you don't get that feeling. Like it is absolutely beautiful. This is
wonderful.
probably, this ranks probably definitely top 5, if not potentially one of the best lookouts we've been to. It is epic.
We actually did see some footage of this lookout prior to this.
And they said it was good, and you just don't know until you get here.
Honestly,
wow.
until you get here, it is amazing. Just honestly, let's take a look at this view.
So, Matt's going to put the drone in the air, but we've already spotted some wedge-tail eagles. I don't think it's a good idea. Let's see how we go.
Have a look at this beautiful wedge-tail. He's in the tree just here. I'm going to try and zoom in, so I apologise. I've got no tripod. It's going to be a bit shaky, but these birds are amazing. We've actually just tried to fly the drone, and we've had to have Lisa watching the entire time to make sure that they didn't take us out, because there's about 5 or 6 of them around the place. And anyone who knows the wedge-tails knows they are huge birds, and they love to take out drones. So our drone footage is a little bit limited in this stop, but this place is epic. And Lisa's just setting up now. Lisa's just setting up now to catch some photos. Look at her with a big lens.
Needs bigger.
I'll see if she can get some footage for me.
So I'm not sure if it's my poor planning or our bad time management, but we're finding ourselves driving back to camp right on dusk, and no doubt it'll be fully dark very, very soon. We're going to take it quite carefully because this place is an amazing spot for wildlife. We've discovered that the area is a wildlife release area. So obviously the carers come and release their wildlife here after they've been rehabilitated, which is pretty cool. And yeah, we saw some beautiful little ones as we were coming out here. They
I've
were
never
really
seen so many kangaroos in one spot. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Especially the pretty faces. They're just everywhere.
I know.
And healthy.
And stunning markings.
Yeah, probably the pretty faces I've seen.
Yeah. So we're not going to do any filming of.
Hey, speak of the devil.
Oh, Jesus!
He's
there
a
we
big
go.
one. That's a big
Wow,
grey.
we almost collided with the kangaroo.
That's a big grey. That wasn't.
Oh,
a
was that
pretty
an
face.
echidna?
No,
Okay.
that's cow
Oh,
poo.
it's cow poo. It's cow poo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we're going to catch up with some filming tomorrow, but no doubt we'll stop somewhere so Matt can film normal lights, high beam lights, and light bar lights, because he's put something fancy on the car and he's very excited about it, and it's all very interesting, isn't it, dear?
It is.
Yeah, so stay tuned, as they say.
So when we've run out of time in a day, what's on the menu?
2-minute noodles.
What is it?
2-minute noodles
Oh, quality. So
and a cup of tea.
this is our gourmet cooking. So this is what Filthy Off-Road Adventures. This is how we do it. Hey, nothing but the best, nothing but quality. Hey, baby.
Sometimes I do make my 2-minute noodles quite fancy. Put other stuff in there, like heaps of veggies and mushrooms and all that sort of stuff through. Not tonight. Definitely not tonight.
So if you've got two boxer dogs like we do that always sleep on each other, we used to always have 2 beds, everything like that, and one used to be a waste. This is a new one. It's actually from Iron Man. I think the brand is Iron Man as well, but it's what they call their extra large, and it is unreal. I'll do a bit of a show on it at some stage, a bit of a video on it. Not sponsored or anything like that. It's just purely and simply really, really impressive. It holds together nice and tight. The girls have got heaps of room. This cushion is really nice. And sorry, just get where I can see. This here, they hook on and actually pulls down nice and tight. So when the girls get on, it doesn't move around. So it gives them a lot of security. Hey, girls, you're getting mozzies on you. Hey? Hey, Dumbles.